Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update firmware on a Shelly device for EV charger monitoring, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update the firmware on your Shelly device for EV charger monitoring, begin by ensuring that you have a stable internet connection. Next, power on your Shelly device and make sure it is properly connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type the IP address of your Shelly device and press enter. You can find the IP address through your router's device list or by using the Shelly app. Once the Shelly web interface loads, look for the settings menu, typically found on the sidebar. Navigate to the firmware or firmware updates section of the settings. Check the current firmware version displayed on the screen to ensure you need an update. Visit the official Shelly website to find the latest firmware version available for your device. Download the most recent firmware file corresponding to your device model. Back in the Shelly web interface, click on the Choose File button to locate the downloaded firmware file. Select the file and click the Upload or Update button to start the firmware update process. A progress bar may appear, indicating the upload status of the firmware. Wait for the upload to complete, which may take a few minutes. After the upload, the device will typically restart automatically. Once it restarts, return to the Shelly web interface and check the firmware version again. Ensure it matches the latest version you downloaded. If the version is updated, your firmware update is successful. If you encounter any issues, refer to the troubleshooting section in the Shelly user manual. Consider contacting Shelly support if problems persist or for further assistance. Your Shelly device should now be ready for enhanced EV charger monitoring with the updated firmware. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.